Okay, y'all, so it's been almost a month now since I filed for an LLC for my production company. I wanted to give y'all a little bit of updates on what's been going on. And just a disclaimer, I went to school for film, not for business, so this is all very new to me. But I just wanted to update you guys because there have been some exciting things that have happened. So first off, I opened up a business checking account with American Express and I got my little business debit card. Look, it says Devi Effects at the bottom and my name. Y'all, this just gives so professional. I had done some research and I heard that Amex was really good for small businesses. So I also want to get a business credit card with them, which I'll probably look into in like another month or two. And that brings me to milestone number 2. So the reason I set up the debit account was because I got my first paid collaboration. It wasn't a big check. It wasn't a lot of money, but it was money nonetheless. And my first check made out to my production company business. So that was really cool. Finally, something to offset all the startup costs that I have been accumulating. And speaking of startup costs, I've been organizing and filing and saving all my receipts in this Smartsheet template. I'm gonna show it to you guys. It's really cool. So this is how I've been tracking all of my expenses and startup costs. So I have this Smartsheet. It, lists all the different types of expenses that I'm able to write off as part of my business. And then on the other side, I have this form where basically I can just put the date, the tax year, the description of what the expense was, the amount, and then I'll upload a receipt if I paid it on the business Amex or not, and then just submit it. We'll immediately add it to this expenses list that I've already, started, and it's able to just kind of total everything up. So I have a income tab, which you can see there's nothing there right now, but I'm about to insert that first little baby paycheck that I got in here. Also, I will use ChatGPT to help me write the descriptions for my expenses. So here's an example with the Canon G7X that I just purchased. I just wrote a little, blurb and asked it to write a professional and detailed entry that I can use for my business expensing tracking sheet. So this Smartsheet is gonna make it super easy for me come April when it's time to file my taxes. I already have everything listed out and organized. Yeah, so those are all my updates as a small business, first time LLC owner. And if you guys have any business tips for me, please let me know in the comments. Okay, bye.